welcome to my channel. So if you want to see how I got this, okay, listen honey, look at that scalp. It's really the plucking. This video is not plucking, but it's the install. So if you want to see how I got this install, it took like 3 minutes, literally. The goats. Keep watching and we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so this company sent me this hair. Don't know how it's pronounced, but this is it. 24-inch Brazilian hair. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's a body wave texture and 24-inch. It's 150 density, but the hair on this wig was really good quality. The lace was really good quality. The knots bleached really easy. I remember you know, noting that. But the hair, you guys, it's really good. It's thick, it's full, and it's really good quality hair. I really enjoyed this wig. It wasn't bad at all. So this is how the hair comes. It's like a light brown lace. You can see the humps in the hairline, which I really like. It's the actual hairline, it's not just straight. It has little baby hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach these knots and then pluck them. Hopefully I don't over bleach these, but the hair is really nice. It is 1 o'clock in the morning, y'all, and I have a lot of stuff to do tomorrow, so I gotta take this one off and put this one on tonight. So yeah, Nina. But yeah, it's just a standard 1, 2, 3 clips. Okay, brownish lace in the front and the back. So okay, don't get it. Okay, y'all, this video is all over the place. Like, let me just start off by saying that I changed about 4 or 5 times. Like, I was doing a lot. I installed it so far back. Okay, I had to come back the next day and reinstall it on camera just because it was giving 7 head, like, and that's just not my look. Okay, that's just not what we were going for. But I did want to keep it in here just to kind of show y'all, well, not kind of, just to really show y'all I be messing up too. Like, for real, y'all know I be messing up. I still be messing up, but I put this wig so far back, but I wanted to keep it in because I did kind of a little tiny bit show you just like the process of my baby hair. So this little first install you're gonna see me doing is the regular little ORS glue that you know I always use, and then just like a customized, or not even customized, just me styling the hair. But baby, when I cut this lace off, okay, don't laugh at me, y'all. Do not freaking laugh at me, okay? Or you can laugh, shit, just look, okay? Just look, okay? I fixed it at the end, period. I fixed it. But how I started, I was like, oh no, oh no, okay? Like, yeah, I don't know why or how I just, yeah, I don't know, but y'all gonna see. Yeah, so look at, yeah, it was just way far back, and I don't know why I didn't see that it was far back until like the very end. I probably just thought I could fix it. Oh, excuse me. Oh. It's late at night, y'all gotta excuse me, whatever. But yeah, I was having a hard time. Like, the gel was turning clear. It was just, I don't know what was going on. Then I'm even looking in the mirror like, girl, like, oh, I got rid of the cast and the gel by just putting a little makeup on it. But yeah. And then I'm looking at it, like, I guess I was about to do a side part, but look at this lace, you guys. Like, it really does look like scalp before, like, you know, prior to me putting it too far back. Like it's a really good lace and really good hair. So yeah, I just don't know what I was going through that day, but I think I decided that I didn't even want the middle or the side part no more. So I just started doing my baby hair. Now this is how I do my baby hair. I literally follow the placement of my regular baby hairs, of my real baby hairs and my real sideburns. And then I just take a little hair out the front, and then that got to be glue spray. That little step I'm doing right there just helps to melt in your lace a little more, because I'm gonna go in and then put back on the elastic band. So I don't know what was happening, but my camera cut out when it was time to come to the styling. But when I come back the next day, I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna just stop here and you guys can just watch. But yeah, that's how I do it for the most part.
Hit the score, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't roll with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a poopy, you a op. Bet you come around my way, you can't hang around my block.
Okay, so this is the next day, and again I just apply it the same way with some ORS glue, and then I put down my edges. So I'm gonna kind of fast forward through the applying because you guys should know by now, but I'll show a little bit of it. But yeah, this is it. This is the next day.
Only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life of the night. I should let these faces go, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, now that check them more. Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is good shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't roll with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves.
Okay, so I went in, just flat ironed it, literally a small amount. I didn't even do it like fully. And I just tied that down. It probably took me like 8 minutes. So I'm like rushing and get ready. But I love these edges, y'all. This is looking like scalp. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. Okay. What's up? What's sad? What's good? Scalp, okay? Listen, okay? But okay guys, thanks for watching, and this concludes the video. So thank you for watching, and then again I will see you on the next one.